Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in World of Warships so you can play together in divisions. First, make sure you're in the port screen. This is where you can access all social features. At the bottom left of the screen, click on Contacts. This opens up your friends list. Next, click Add Friend or Add Player. Type in your friend's exact in-game username, and then send them the friend request. Your friend will receive a notification, and once they accept it, they will appear in your friends list. You can also add friends directly through the chat. If you see someone you want to add, right-click their name, and choose Add to Friends. After adding them, you can invite them to a division by right-clicking their name in your friends list and select Invite to Division. And that's it. That is how you add friends in World of Warships.